Yeah, that's not great. So I guess we'll pull the water pump off. All right, after a couple long days in the shop, ended up getting the gray Jeep running again. So basically everything we changed was, we ended up doing a thermostat, a new headlight. The thermostat housing cracked and leaked and was all junked up anyway, so we replaced that. And then this was our main problem, the water pump. You can see it ground up right there, and then it's got, I mean, just and then ended up going through about 3 bottles of coolant. But either way, we are ready to hit the sand dunes. So we're gonna just bring the Jeep back in and we'll load up and head out tomorrow. Oh boy. I didn't miss this part.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Did it not engage?
I feel like they're stuck already.
No!
Jump slope me down, we've got air!
I haven't gotten there yet. I'm just contemplating my life choices right now.
Oh shit! Oh no! Okay, so what we've learned is this purple one with the V8 is a menace, but the 4-liter inline 6 just has an overheating problem. But this thing is a freaking monster.
Why'd you let up? I got scared.
Holy shit!
Holy! there for a minute, bro. As soon as you drop down, like as soon as your back tires come off the top vent floor, because the bottom will be
Hit her wide, buddy.
as soon as you're the top edge vent floor, because the bottom will roll really smooth.
I lied. What do you mean? Lied about what? The airbag going off?
Oh, that too.
I'm so fucking scared right now. Hold her wide!
I knew that would be a good spot.
Hey, don't kill the battery!
Oh, the seatbelt's locked. Yeah, you've been in a wreck. When I parked, it said check gauges. My lower back hurts so bad.
That's fine.
Got it figured out.
Oh, good.
A few moments later.
Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh! 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 Yeah, this is a prime jump.
Look what we should have.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
It's so violent. It is so violent. And the stuff in the back makes it so much more violent.
That was so smooth!
That was beautiful!
Oh shit.
We're gonna hit a little floater right here.
A little floater! I can't
Tell me when to floor it.
Oh holy shit! Holy shit!